Welcome again to our meditation, this time about acceptance. Sit down and, if you like, close your eyes. Gently begin to observe your breathing, your natural, calm breath, as it is when you are not trying to influence it. Is your breath deep or shallow? What rhythm does your breath have? And where in your body do you feel this breath? Now, bring in an irritating, stressful thought. Find a thought that feels very irritating, stressful, or painful for you. And let that thought enter your mind. And now observe what happens to your breathing and your body. Remember, you don't have to judge, form an opinion about this experience. Just notice what happens in your body and with your breath. Calmly breathe in and breathe out. Try to return to your natural, calm breathing again. Rest your breath for a minute. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, bring in the stressful thought while maintaining a calm breath. In this final step, we invite you to bring back the same irritating, stressful, or painful thought or feeling as before. But this time, consciously maintain your natural, calm breathing, while allowing the thought to be present in your body. Breathe in and breathe out. And breathe in again. And breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out again. Observe what happens to this painful thought when it lands in your natural, conscious and calm. Now, slowly and gently become aware of your pressure on your body against the chair, or if you're laying down on the bed. Try to feel your body against and feeling the feet against the floor if you sit down. Open your eyes and fully feel present in your body. And if you like, stretch a little bit. I hope this exercise will help you to breathe calmer and accepting the things that are happening to your life. And through your breath, keep the calm and the love for yourself. I wish you a very pleasant day and live with purpose and love for yourself. Until next time.